I should not be drinking Diet Pepsi. I shouldn't be drinking Diet Pepsi because there's nothing to diet. But who cares? It's not like it's gonna run. Diet Pepsi is yeah, never mind. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for dropping by again. If you're subscribed and if you're returning, thank you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this 2 ponytail look. But before that, follow me on my social medias on Instagram, Twitter, and hit the subscribe button. If you watched my recent video or one of like my more recent videos on my wash routine, you would know how my hair gets like this. In this way, you know, it's like really easy to put your hand through. If you are not sure how to go about it, please check out that video. I will put the link in the description box down there. Yes, and you should check it out. Yes, I'm shamelessly plugging my other video in this video because why not? Okay, so first things first, I'm going to part my hair. Then use the comb to make the line straight. I'm gonna have to like get closer to the camera so you can see the hair parting, okay? Because that's where the light is. That's where the light is. Like, you know. Okay, so got that out of the way. Ooh, I'm not even done and like I look good with a T. Let's get some water in there. Do not wet my makeup because I already look like a bum. So what I'm doing here is putting some contour hair gel on it just to get it laid. I then brush the edges to make sure that it's all nicely laid. Okay, the next thing I do is I comb the back side of the hair, and I do the same thing for it. As you can see, I'm combing it, and I'm going to apply very little gel because I don't want it to be so sticky in the back side, and then I'll just put the band in it. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush the edges some more, and then I will put, as you can see, I'm putting a scarf over it. I can't even speak. Put a scarf over it just so it stays in place while I attach the extensions. As you can see, I'm combing out the hair, and then I'm going to split it into 2. So next thing I'm going to do is to braid the sections of the hair, and I'll have 4 different sections in total, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. So I started with the back first, and I'm sorry to y'all because like it's not recorded at the right angle. When your neck is like the stairway to heaven, that is what happens, but hopefully it is clear enough for you to see. So next I'm going to tie the front part. If you're using thread like I am, you're going to tie a knot first, as often as you possibly can. I would say 3 to 5 times. So just like I did in the back, I'm just going to attach the hair extension to my hair and make sure that it's secure, and then I start wrapping the hair extension, just a little part of it, around my actual natural hair. This is the exact same thing I did for the back. So just keep wrapping around your natural hair until it is really firm, and you may need to put in a bobbin pin or two. So now I'm taking off my scarf, and this is what it looks like. You can see the PIP. This is the full length of the hair. So as you can see guys, this is the final look. You can also have it in a bun. You can make the front part in a bun, leaving the back side, or you can actually have both sides in a bun if it's easier for you, especially when you're sleeping. If you made it this far, thank you. I hope you subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.